Before you dig in, it's crucial to choose the right location for your garden. Look for an area with ample sunlight, preferably 6-8 hours a day, and good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Take note of any nearby structures or trees that could shade your garden. Next up, let's talk soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful garden. Test your soil to determine its pH level and nutrient content. Most plants prefer a slightly acidic pH of around 6.0-7.0. Amend your soil with organic matter like compost or aged manure to improve its structure and fertility. Now, on to watering. Proper hydration is essential for plant growth, but it's crucial not to overwater. Check the moisture level of the soil regularly and water deeply but infrequently to encourage deep root growth. Consider using a drip irrigation system or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the roots. Pest and disease management is another vital aspect of gardening. Keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids, snails, and caterpillars. Practice good garden hygiene by removing any dead or diseased plant material promptly. Consider using organic pest control methods such as neem oil or companion planting to deter pests naturally. Mulching is a gardener's best friend. Not only does it suppress weeds and retain moisture, but it also adds nutrients to the soil as it breaks down. Apply a layer of organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves around your plants to reap the benefits. Ah, the joy of harvesting your own produce! Whether it's crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, or vibrant bell peppers, there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown goodness. Harvest your crops when they're ripe for the best flavor and texture. Don't forget to share the bounty with friends and family. In summary, successful gardening boils down to proper planning, soil preparation, watering, pest management, and harvesting. Remember to start small and experiment with different plants to find what works best for your garden. And most importantly, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and have fun along the way. Thanks for joining us.